Everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel where we spotlight the hottest young talents blowing up on social media. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok sensation Belén Guardiola. If you're into jaw-dropping fitness feats, killer motivation, and that perfect blend of strength and style, you're in for a treat. Bolan's a Chilean calisthenics athlete who's turning heads with her insane workout routines. Think muscle-ups, handstands, and gravity-defying moves that make you want to hit the gym right now. With over 405,000 followers and 3.8 million likes on TikTok, she's inspiring a whole generation of youth to get active, stay entertained, and chase their fitness dreams. Stick around as we break down why she's the ultimate vibe for anyone seeking inspiration from beautiful, badass creators. Alright, let's jump right in. No fluff, just the good stuff. Bolan's niche is all about calisthenics, that bodyweight training magic where you use bars, rings, and your own power to build insane strength and agility. Forget boring gym sessions. Her content is fast, fun, and full of high-energy activities like street workouts, park flips, and core-crushing challenges. She's not just flexing muscles, she's showcasing clothing that screams athletic chic, from sleek tank tops to comfy shorts that move with her during those epic pulls. What makes Bolan stand out? First off, her inspiration game is on fire. Picture this, a quick 15-second clip of her nailing a perfect planche, captioned with something like, "Push your limits, you've got this." It's simple, but it hits hard, especially for young peeps scrolling through TikTok looking for that spark to get off the couch. Her videos are packed with motivation, showing real progress from beginner moves to pro-level stunts, proving that anyone can level up with consistency. And yeah, as a beautiful young athlete, she draws in followers who love the combo of entertainment and eye candy. Her confident vibe and radiant energy make every bit a feel-good watch. Now, interaction with followers? Bolan's a pro at that. She replies to comments like, "How do I start calisthenics?" with quick tips, or even shouts out fan progress in her stories. Plus, she's got online coaching through her links, Accessorias Online as she calls it, helping fans build custom routines. It's not just watch and scroll, it's a community where you feel seen and pumped to try new things. One popular video? Her calisthenics motivation montage set to hype beats, racking up thousands of likes and comments like, "This inspired me to try my first pull-up." Talk about positive influence. She's pushing healthy habits, body positivity, and mental toughness without the preachy stuff. But wait, there's more entertainment value here. Bolan mixes in fun elements like duets with other athletes, reacting to trends, or even lighthearted fails that show she's human. Imagine her attempting a new trick, slipping a bit, then laughing it off. It's relatable, keeps the pace zippy, and reminds us that fitness is about joy, not perfection. Her content's easily digestible too. Short, snappy clips under a minute, perfect for quick scrolls during breaks. And for those following beautiful girls on TikTok, Bolan delivers with her glowing post-workout looks and empowering aura that screams, "Strong is sexy." We've seen her collab with brands like workout gear lines, using codes like BELU for discounts, smart way to keep things engaging and give back to her audience. Overall, she's showcasing young talent by proving that with passion and persistence, anyone can turn a hobby into a viral empire. If you're a teen or young adult hunting for inspo, her feed's a goldmine of entertainment that motivates without overwhelming. Phew, what a ride! Belén Guardiola, aka at Belén Guardiola_SW, is the real deal. A calisthenics queen inspiring youth worldwide with her killer routines, positive vibes, and interactive energy. From motivation-packed workouts to fun, fast-paced content, she's proving that fitness can be entertaining, accessible, and totally addictive. In a world full of scroll-worthy stars, Bolan stands out as a beacon for those seeking strength, style, and a dash of beauty. She's not just building muscles, she's building a movement. If this got you hyped, smash that like button, drop a comment below with your fave workout move, and subscribe for more spotlights on rising talents. We drop new vids every week. Head over to TikTok and follow at Belén Guardiola_SW right now. Trust me, your feed will thank you. Share this video with a friend who needs that fitness push, and let's keep the energy going. See you in the next one. Stay strong, stay inspired.
Peace out.